#Cloud Software Service Announcements long-form tutorial script. You're missing out on critical cloud updates that could transform how your entire team works. And honestly, most people don't even know these announcements exist. Today, we're breaking down the latest cloud software service announcements you absolutely need to know about and how to leverage them before your competition does. Here's the thing, cloud providers are constantly rolling out game-changing features. But unless you're actively monitoring their official channels, you'll miss them. That's where most teams fall behind. Let me show you exactly where to find these announcements and how to implement them strategically. First, let's talk about why this matters. Cloud services like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud release updates constantly. Some are minor tweaks. Others fundamentally change how you should architect your infrastructure. Missing these announcements means you're potentially paying more, working slower, and using outdated security practices. So how do you stay ahead? Start with the source. Go to AWS official blog at aws.amazon.com/blogs. You'll see a clean dashboard with categories on the left side. Look for the AWS News section, this is where major announcements live first. Same approach for Azure, visit azure.microsoft.com/updates. You'll find the Azure Updates portal with a blue banner at the top. Click Select Filters to narrow down by service category, region, and status. For Google Cloud, head to cloud.google.com/blog. The interface is straightforward, you'll see featured announcements at the top, and you can use the search bar to find specific service updates. Don't just bookmark these pages and hope you remember to check them. That's what most people do, and that's why they miss updates. Instead, subscribe to RSS feeds or email digests. Most cloud providers offer this. On the AWS blog homepage, look for the RSS icon in the top right corner. Click it, add it to your RSS reader. Tools like Feedly or InnoReader work great and you'll get real-time notifications. Azure offers a similar feature. On the Azure Updates page, look for the RSS link at the bottom. Subscribe. Done. This is where you're probably doing cloud monitoring wrong. You're either checking manually, which is inefficient, or you're missing announcements entirely. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily that help you navigate complex tools like this with confidence. Not every announcement affects you equally. When you see a new announcement, ask 3 questions. Does this affect my current services? Could this improve my performance? Does this impact my security or compliance? Open the announcement. Most cloud providers structure these clearly. You'll see a headline, a description section, and, critically, which services are affected. On AWS, look for the Services tag. Azure lists affected services clearly. Google Cloud does the same in the announcement body. This is crucial. Don't just skim the headline. Click into the full announcement. You'll find implementation details, pricing implications, and migration paths if applicable. For example, when AWS announces a new availability region or service enhancement, the announcement includes links to documentation. Click Learn More or View Documentation, you'll be taken to the official docs portal where you can see code samples, architecture diagrams, and step-by-step implementation guides. Azure does this beautifully too. Each update on the Azure Updates page links directly to the relevant documentation section. You'll see technical specifications, CLI commands, and PowerShell examples. Screenshot these or bookmark them immediately. Here's what catches most teams off guard: pricing announcements. Some updates include price reductions, free wins. Others introduce new pricing tiers or change how you're billed. Look for pricing sections in announcements. On AWS, pricing details appear in a dedicated tab on service pages. Azure lists pricing in the announcement details. Google Cloud includes pricing information in their technical documentation links. When you see a pricing announcement, calculate the impact on your bill. Many cloud calculators are available. AWS has the simple monthly calculator, Azure has the pricing calculator, and Google Cloud has a similar tool. Plug in your projected usage and see the real numbers. A powerful new feature doesn't help you if it's not available in your region. Every major announcement includes regional availability information. On the AWS news page, look for regions mentioned in the announcement body. Azure explicitly states available regions in each update. Google Cloud lists available in at the end of announcements. If a critical feature isn't in your region yet, mark your calendar. These features roll out gradually. Contact your cloud provider's sales team if you need expedited access. Sometimes they can prioritize your region. Once you've got the big picture, go deeper. Most cloud providers let you subscribe to updates for specific services you actually use. On AWS, go to aws.amazon.com/new. You'll see a Subscribe to Updates section at the top. Select the specific services you care about, like EC2, S3, Lambda, RDS, and you'll get only relevant announcements. Azure has a similar feature on the Updates page. Use the Select Filters button and choose specific services. You'll reduce notification noise significantly. Google Cloud's approach: bookmark specific service pages. Each service page, Compute Engine, Cloud SQL, BigQuery, has its own updates section. This is where teams excel or fall behind. When you discover a valuable announcement, your team needs to know. Create a shared Slack channel like #CloudUpdates or #InfrastructureNews. Assign someone, maybe a rotating responsibility, to post key announcements weekly. Include 3 things: the announcement headline, why it matters to your business, and a link to the full documentation. This ensures your entire team stays informed and can discuss implications together. Engineers see technical changes first. Finance sees cost implications. Security sees compliance updates. Everyone benefits. Let's talk about going deeper. Most teams stop at reading announcements. Experts do more. First, set Google alerts for your specific cloud provider names plus relevant keywords. For example, AWS plus machine learning or Azure plus security compliance. You'll catch announcements across news sites, not just official channels. Second, follow individual cloud provider executives and product managers on LinkedIn. When they announce major features, you'll see it in your feed immediately, sometimes before the formal announcement drops. Third, attend virtual cloud events. AWS reInvent, Microsoft Ignite, and Google Cloud Next are annual events where hundreds of announcements happen. Even if you can't attend live, watch recordings. You'll hear directly from product teams about strategic direction and upcoming features. Fourth, join cloud-specific communities. Reddit's r/AWS, r/Azure, and r/Google Cloud have thousands of practitioners sharing insights about new announcements. They often highlight which updates actually matter versus hype. Fifth, when implementing a new feature from an announcement, document your learnings. Share internally. Create a quick guide for your team. This accelerates adoption across your organization. Cloud announcements drive competitive advantage. The teams that stay informed deploy features faster, optimize costs better, and secure infrastructure more effectively. The teams that don't? They stay reactive, overspend, and miss opportunities. Your competition is reading these announcements. Are you? Start today. Visit one official announcement hub. Subscribe to notifications. Read one announcement thoroughly. Then implement one insight this week. That's how you stay ahead in the cloud game. Remember, we're here to help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. Subscribe to Tech Navigator Pro for weekly cloud tutorials, implementation guides, and strategic insights. Hit that subscribe button now, and let's master cloud together.